My name is Dayo. At 27, I was living in Thailand until my visa expired and I was deported back to Nigeria. Ashamed to face my parents, I moved in with a friend in another part of Lagos. One day, everything changed when I saw a girl passing by. Her name was Kadijat. Beautiful, calm, hardworking. We exchanged numbers, and just like that, my lonely days began to fade. Our love grew fast, but something about her troubled me deeply. She was addicted to visiting alphas, pastors, and traditional spiritual houses. I warned her gently, but she didn't stop. Still, I stayed, hoping love would change her. This is where everything began. As years passed, our love grew, but so did her addiction to spiritual houses. We fought about it constantly. Still, I wanted to marry her, out of love and pity, because she had stayed with me through hard times. Then, I finally got another visa and traveled abroad. Before leaving, I warned her again, "Please, Kadija, stop visiting those places. It will destroy us." She promised. But soon after, she called me. "They said you will have problems abroad. They want to pray for you. They want to see your mother." I was furious. I told her, "Don't ever involve my mother." But she hung the phone and went straight to my mother's house. My mother refused to go anywhere with her. I was angry, disappointed, but I forgave her. Months later, I sent money for us to prepare an apartment for my return. She did everything perfectly until the last week. She invited spiritual people into the apartment again. My mother and siblings caught them performing rituals inside the house. That was the final strike. My mother said, "Dayo, you will not marry this girl." My heart broke, but I knew my mother was right. When I finally returned to Nigeria, we called for a family meeting. My mother said her final words, "Dayo cannot marry a fetish woman." Kadija cried, cursed, begged, screamed, but it was over. Years of love gone in one day. She walked away and never came back. I started life again, lonely, heartbroken, confused. Then, I joined a dating site. That's where I met Abike, a calm, God-fearing, simple woman. We fell in love quickly and married shortly after. 15 years later, 2 kids, peace, happiness. Sometimes I still think about Kadija. She never married. She's still alone. But life taught me one thing. A good woman brings peace. A stubborn woman brings destruction. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch our video. God bless you. Please like, follow, subscribe and share. We will bring you more interesting and educative content. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting African folktales. Thank you for watching.